5 birds sit on a fence. 3 decide to leave. How many birds are left on the fence? 0, 2, 5? The answer is 5. Why? They attended a phenomenal strategy meeting to discuss what they needed to do to get to the other side of the fence. They even had a conference call on the first Monday of every month discussing how to get to the other side of the fence, but they didn't take the right actions. In our Strategy Implementation for Leaders workshop, which is the longest running course in the world on this subject, we share with you how to go from crafting your strategy to its implementation. Strategy is about making the right choices. Implementation is about taking the right actions. But how do you know the right actions for your organization? Within the 1 day, we answer this question. But first we explain to you why implementation is so tough and how it can become a business differentiator. And then we share with you our proprietary tools, the Implementation Compass, which highlights the 8 areas for excellence in execution, and our Implementation Canvas, which identifies the right actions for the organization. We also share with you the tools and methodologies that are so often missing for leaders when it comes to implementation. This is because they've been trained how to plan, but not how to implement. You'll also find within the 1 day that it's packed with stories, methodologies, tools, tips, and techniques that you can use in your organization throughout your implementation journey.